So hello, this is Airdrop Mine Update. It's been a while. The market has been so scary for some days now, or weeks or months, depending on how you see it. But that doesn't mean a lot of guys haven't been making money. Same way, it's vice versa. Some are making, some are losing. Well, welcome back to this wonderful shiny. I've been away for a very long time now, in the sense that I've been doing some research, and as you all know, the market has been a little bit unpredictable. Like you can't really predict how it's gonna go, but a lot of guys have been doing, swing trading. Some have been going with the flow, the trade short, the trade, they just follow the trend depending on the kind of coins you're trading on. And the markets and the sec news, it's not really uh interesting. I've been waiting to hear the sec news and see what's going to be of beneficial. When the United States, capital of all, when they make decision, it affects the crypto network entirely. So without wasting any time, we're going to talk about this project, which is called Unich, and I think they are getting there somehow. This is an easy to farm airdrop, and exchange is already in use. You could use the exchange like how you use the pancake swipe to swap coins, and you could even trade and do some certain things with it right now. And the project and their mission, it's quite interesting because at this point, even if they've not given out the airdrop, which is going to be Unich or IDO or how they call it, but still you are capable of making use of the platform, and that's a very good thing. And they are here to really ease the stress even from the novice to know how to swap and know how to convert and stuff like that. So we're going to talk about a lot of those stuff. So as you could see the milestone they've talked about here, you could see they talked about the early DeFi era, the beauty era, the acceleration era, and they said right now this is where we are. Okay, so the next thing we're going to be looking at is the launching and distribution, which is very, 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 very close. Okay, so on the Discord, if you're on the Discord channel, you will see that there are a lot of people talking about you holding an idle coin, which you could buy. There are a lot of guys that will give you a link on how to purchase a coin if you wish to, not mandatory, but somehow it's way of making yourself position for this airdrop. I myself I haven't done it, but I've been told several times to get involved since I've been in this project for quite some time now, which I'm going to consider now. I think I'm going to do it. So without wasting any time, we're just going to see that this was one of their recent tweets, which is December 6th, and we know the airdrop is around the corner. Okay. Before this, you could see something. I'm just going to give you guys a spoiler or something that will make you guys scared. Okay, let's not go there. I wanted to show you guys something. A lot of guys have done some kind of act, editing this stuff because they waited for so long and they're telling you that definitely you're going to be waiting till 2050, 2030. It's kind of funny seeing that caption or how would I say piece edited. So that's for Unich, okay? So the information there is that they've talked about it, and this is the latest 23 hours ago. They talk about stay with Lynch. One last down 2055 because 2025 because years are coming to an end. First of all, complement of the season, complement of the season, and you could still get yourself into this project. It's never too late. As you could see, they also have the link. I'm going to leave my link in the description. You call me, you're going to get 480 FD points in 20. So you can do this, and it's simple as ABC. Let's not waste time. This is a drop. We've talked about you spent years in chain. This is kind of funny, man, seeing this. Well, it's what you're talking about freedom. We all got freedom in our ways. Some of us have freedom, but we don't have freedom. Okay, so this is Unish and this is the mission they've gone. So without wasting time, I'm just going to jump into the Discord and show you something. Discord is so hot and bubbling, and you can see there's a Discord channel here. If you're a member of this Discord, definitely you're not going to be bored because a lot of people tweeting. Sorry to say tweet. A lot of people. I think we should use the word discording. So there's a lot of stuff going on in the Discord channel here, and some of my guys have been chatting with me here, saying they've missed me for some time. I've not haven't been here. And mind you, when you participate in this discords, you get to earn SP and also get a position in rows. So it's also one of the things you should consider doing. Okay, so communicating here daily is something you should try. If you cannot really spend, people will really sleep here, but me, I can't really sleep here, but just to get, I'm just going to type something just to be part of it, and that's me. Okay, so you could follow me on my Discord if you want to follow me, but that's not really official for my community. My community link, it's going to be my Telegram, which I always leave in the description channel, so you could join me there and reach out to me personally, and share ideas and work with. So a lot of guys are really getting their SPs, and you could join the greeting part. You come in here, you greet, good morning, which is always normal, good morning, good afternoon, whatever your time is, and you come to the community side. You could join and ask. You could come to the ranking. You all know how to check your ranking. You know, you put a slash R rank and it gives you your position on the SP. These are guys, they're level 5 and this. So you want to get this done, it's super easy. All you just need to do, you just have to do rank. Okay, I should have been doing that right now, but okay, let me not just show you guys. Maybe you guys might be wondering, oh my god, why are you in this category? Okay, so that being said, you're gonna get your role by checking your role here. This guy's in level 61. You see a lot of guys are really gone so far with a lot of SPs. So these you could join up the community here. You know, you could get yourself involved and verify, look the roles, stay tuned for any of the information that you want to know. That's for the Discord. So it's something you want to take part. So let's now go into the app itself. Okay, so here's the Unich app. Like I could see here, I got a pending tab which I'm doing. Just gonna copy the link of this place here. Okay, I'm just gonna copy it and come back to the Unich dashboard and paste it here. Okay, and just gonna click confirm, and just gonna give me certain amount of SP for the day. So I got 40 FD. Okay, so I say SP, sorry, FD. So I got the last one here. Just gonna click on this. Click on got it. It's going to open the X. You just get a link from this place here. It's super easy to do. It's a daily task. Okay, come back to this place and just paste it. Okay, you confirm and voila, that's all for the day. So as you could see, I'm done with my daily task. I could just okay, where is it? Okay, so I'm done with it. So this is the tax, and if you come down here, 24 hours is what you need to do. Just tap on this place here and it just starts mining for you. Okay, so you could see I just did that now. So it's going to mine. The countdown is here. You tap and end. Okay, so that's what it does. So the next 24 hours, the same time tomorrow, I'll come back and okay this, and there'll be more tasks for me to do. So you follow these handles just to get some information or be informed in whatever they are doing. Okay, so then you come to this place, you want to build an army, you could invite your friends with a referral link here. You get your link. I will leave my link in the description. These are just mathematical way of knowing where you could earn 50%. I've not really done anything about it, but it's just part of the system that's been added. So coming soon, Unit Exchange airdrop campaign. All right, so all these will be coming soon, very 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 soon, like they've said. So you could visit here and get to know more about the Unich, and tap to earn is a place where you could just click and that's the tap in here and you start earning. So you could also come to the Web3 if you want to do something with the Web3. Let me just quickly click on the Web3, and it's just going to open and you could read on the market. You could see the market. Various coins are being launched there where you could, like I told you, you could purchase certain coins you need instead of using a pancake swap if you're convenient comfortable with this. And new listings also, they are so very good in updating the new listing, new coins that comes into the market. You could see them all here. Okay, it's still loading. Okay, so no data right now, and you could also take a time to know more about this stuff if you want to read pre-order the coin itself. And I'm just going to tell you more about it. Okay, so it's still updating. So there's a volume right now trending, and let's say okay, so now you could see on the pre-market OTC you could trade if you want to do any of these coins here. Okay, but I'll just take you to something that is more trade. I'm just going to take you to the trade part. Okay, point, pre-order, blah blah blah. I'll take you to the trading section where you could really see a lot of coins and you could get information, and you could also read about particular coins if you want to get up the trending coins, Solana, WBTC. So the app, it's really really loaded. Take your time and just go through this, and uh if you not started this project, you could also start it up. Connect your wallet if you want to come to this trading part or purchase some coins from here. Like I told you, it's a little bit like the pancake swap for now. That's what they do. And while we walk towards the coin, the listing of this project itself. Okay, so this is the market, this is the airdrop, this is the Web3 which we are in now, and I just clicked on the market. Okay, so affiliate. You want to become an affiliate, you click on this place. You're going to get a link maybe to promote the project itself. Then the airdrop, if you come to this place, it's going to be your airdrop, which was where we just left, where we are doing our farming and uh, tax just to get some points. So that's all for Unich. So it's not really much to talk about. It's a simple, very, very simple project to do. Just tap here. It's not loaded now. If it loads completely, you're going to see my tap continue because I'm already logged in. So that's how this project super duper works. Okay, so you just have to connect your wallet, connect with your email if you want to get this started. You connect your email and you can see it's completely loaded now, and this task will be, I'll be getting more tomorrow. Okay, go to earning. You want to go to earning, you tap here. You know, it's going to take you to earning, and also you could also get the IDO. This is the IDO, or how they call it, UN token IDO. Okay, so this is the referral code for mine, which I could share with you guys. And something you could visit here. I just walk you guys through this place. Okay, I'm just gonna delete some of these tags that I opened down previously. Gonna take them out. These are the X handle I did previously. Okay, so Telegram. No, I'm not gonna go there. So wants me to go to a Telegram Shiner, which I don't want to take myself there right now. So this is for the unit. So aside from this, I'm going to be telling you guys additional content in this video. Just a quick reminder about the unit that you could get yourself involved. It's not too late, and everything you need to know, it's right here for you to get started. All right. Then I'll be telling you, I'll be sharing about two projects that is already paying. Already on the mainnet. We did this at airdrop, and now we're already in mainnet, and it's one is fresh on the mainnet, the other one have been there since last year and will be earning passively. So it's an airdrop, it's a token already trading, and it was an airdrop and it's a token now on the mainnet already trading, and they are all deep in projects. Okay, so that's what I'll be sharing with you. And these projects are another project, and the first one is going to be what's it called, Sheep. Okay, I always talk about this. You guys, yeah, you guys, you know me, I love Sheep Cage a lot. And the round 6, the round 7 just ended. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, round 7 just ended. And on this round 7, as we know, that there are a lot of stuff that changed from the previous rounds, which the Bluetooth was taken out because of the sheets, in terms of people getting too much of points because they just go to the crowded area, not really following what the project was all about, when they know it's all about navigating LOT, and so they have to take that out because it gives them difficulty in computing. So this is going to be the first time they'll be computing our points, and we're going to see how it's going to work. But aside from that, the other stuff that will be introduced, because on this very project, this very mission, we on the hunt for beacons. Okay, so on this beacon, like as you could see, there's a way I position myself by just getting the magnets and the premium pass. Okay, that's what I just did, where I get ×4 reward for every stop. But you could get the scanner if you want to get 1 kilometer scanner. You could get the 5 kilometer. This, even if you don't have a ship, you're just a newbie, you could get this because the coin is already trading on Get.io, on the I think Mexis, and so you could go there, even cool coin, so you could go there and buy, purchase this coin, and also use it to get this stuff. So it's cheap. For me, I use my points of my ship already I have in purchasing, so that's the benefit I got. For those newbies that want to get this, you have to use your money to purchase this stuff, unless you want to just go in with a free 150 radius mining. Yeah, 150 radius, which I'm using. I haven't got, I didn't, I tried this when they gave us for free, when they had a glitch, but I just went back to my 150 free. So the only thing I purchased is just the magnet, which helps me magnet beacons once I'm within 50 kilometer of range, 40 kilometer of range. Instead of really walking deep down to 10 kilometer, I could just magnet. So even on the move, on the drive, I could magnet beacons that are within 40, 50 kilometers of range. And the premium pass, I decided to go for the 90 days this time around. Previously, I was going for the 1 month, but as they brought the new ones of the 90, 40, and 80, I felt like the 40 was just, too close. So I had to go for the 90. That's approximately like 3 months for me, so it's fine. I wouldn't want to think about that till February next year. Okay, so the boost is just for the magnet boost is just a monthly. So this will be done by January or so. I have to get it again, which is fine. I could just keep doing that, not Then as you could see, if you want to really get the device for this, it's going to cost you about 890 something USD. But a lot of scalpings, they are holding it, they buy and they resell. So on the marketplace, which is somewhere here, let me see if I could take you to the marketplace. On that very place, you could purchase the coin from people whom are whom already got the coin, and they just want to they already got the NFT or whatever, and they want to just want to sell. Okay, they want to sell. So that's how you could get a blackbird miner, and that's a passive one that you could just hang on the roof of your house, and you're going to be getting. Previously, when the market was still good, you get $7 daily, but now I think it has fallen down to the market is so down. You could see what's happening to BTC. So I wouldn't want to call the price. You could go and check that out yourself, but it has really fallen down. So that doesn't mean it's not going to rise up, but that's what you get passively for just getting that device. Okay, so that's for Chip Cage. And how this works, because you want to be able to get the device, so you could buy the you could install the app, which is a Cage. Okay, that's a Cage app. That's where you need these scanners and this stuff with the app. Okay, so that's for this, and I'll leave the link in the description. You could do that download. But first of all, there's a step I talked about in my previous video how to get this. First of all, you need to create a web account first before you have to go and install the app on your mobile phone and log in with the same details. I'm going to leave the information on the description, and you can also go back on my first earlier previous videos on how to set your cage up. So it's a passive income. As it is right now, it's a passive you earn every 40 days, because the round goes for 40 days. Okay, now we're on the beacon hunt, so 40 days and it's done. So if I could show you something on the X, let's just see if we could check an update on the X quickly. If it loads fast, we could just look at the X handle, and definitely we're going to see something update. Okay, so let's just check on the X here and see what's new, because it ended yesterday. Okay, so for the ship cage, as you could see, they've said it here this 17 hours ago that data hunt, a new round has started. Okay, it runs for 40 days until 17th of January next year, and you have every chance to own a ledger ball, grab your blah 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 premium fire. So these are what they normally do. So this is round 7 and we are already in round 8 now. So you could see it's an LOT. This is a device here, the blackbird, which you could hang on your roof, and your interface of your dashboard is going to look different, and definitely it's all about navigation, and it's nice. Okay, a lot of guys are really onboarding, a lot of developers and a lot of how will I say, partners, using the internet, using their airspace, using their services. So they are really getting famous and really getting kind of public awareness. So they're getting known for what they really provide, the services they provide. Okay, so now what I'm going to talk about again is another one which I'll just show you on the X here, then before we jump into the app itself. That is called the 375 AI, which is, mind you, Chips is being backed by Sue. Okay, it's a Sue network, so you need Sue for withdrawal and stuff. So the next one is 375 AI, which is also a deepin, and they just launched, I think, 2 months or last month and some weeks ago, and it's already becoming a passive income. So even when we finish the round into mainnet, we still keep earning with the app. Okay, this is, they got a device, but they're not been selling it to us because something they hanged, or that's something they put on the highway. So for now, it's a phone we normally use in mapping out hexes. Okay, this is another way of navigation also, and it's being backed by the Phantom Solana. Okay, you use the Solana, your Phantom wallet, to connect, and this is Solana project. And this also is also nice one. The name of this token is called ETH. You could check that on your what is it called, Bybit. Also listed on Bybit, yeah, it. So you could see that also on Bybit. So its mainnet is live, so we're already trading. And this is another nice project. All you just need to do is just let this run on your background, install the app on your mobile phone, connect the Phantom wallet, follow the process. You can also watch my video. I've done a video on that. The previous one I did was when we were still on the test net, where we had to use the faucet to get some points and some faucet token. But now it's on the mainnet, so you just have to install and connect your Phantom wallet and do every necessary thing, and you're good to go. You just let it run at the background as you drive or as you walk, as you cycle. You're going to be mapping hexes, and in return you're being rewarded for it. So it's a weekly, maximum 2 weeks now. Previously it was a weekly point distribution, but now that we're on the mainnet, it's now a 2 weeks point distribution. Automatically you get tokens that you can sell, convert, because you're going to be rewarded with an ETH token not just points. You get the ETH token, okay? So the points are what you get during the week of the 2 weeks time of the run, and once the week ends and they roll out, they give you your location, which is being given in the ETH token, which is a 375 Go token, native token, okay? So that's how it works. So it's a really, really nice one. You could just open on your mobile phone and just move around, and it just does its scanning and mapping portals and every other stuff, giving information about the AI world that we're already in right now, self-driving cars, navigation for delivery. So these are the ETH. You could also stake. So that's it. You stake for 6 months, 12 months, or 18 months. All depends on you, okay? So the token is really doing fine. This is how the interface is going to look like. So I'm going to leave the link in the description also, and you wouldn't want to miss this out. Also, it's also a nice project for you to get yourself involved. But I'm just going to show you how it looks like on those two last passive income projects I talked about, which is the sheep cage and the 375 AI. So let's dive into my mobile phone. So this is the 375 interface that is going to look like for you when you once you install the app. It's just super easy. Okay. Once the app is being installed, connect to your Phantom wallet. You need to have a Phantom account. So you connect to your Phantom wallet and you come to the settings here. You fill every necessary things you need to fill: your account, your device, notification, and every stuff. And that's it. You come to the club right here. You're gonna see as you walk your way down the ledger board, you're gonna be achieving this stuff. Depending on the exits you scan for the day, and you see the bar getting filled up here. It's 50 days. This is already on the main net, so that's why you could see it this way. So the map itself is like this. If you're the type that travels around, that moves around, you're gonna be able to scan a lot of exits. And definitely when you scan exits like this that haven't been scanned before, you get more points. But if you scan exits like this, you also get points. If you scan exits like this that have been scanned previously, but you also get points. But imagine you scanning a free one that haven't been scanned before. The points is, I think the reward is more higher because you just given the map of. So this is how I've been moving for the past week. If you could see, this is where I am right now. The purple place indicates my location at the moment, but all these are where I've been around the past 2 weeks. So if you really travel a lot, definitely you're going to be getting more hexes, and when they convert your points, you're going to be getting a lot of ETH token. Okay, previously I fumbled a lot this is a push 3 or so, so you could also get yourself involved. The new one will be starting today in 17 minutes time. This round, a push 3 will be rounding up and we'll be going to a push 4, so you could see you're super early. Previously on the main net, on the test net, we got up to a push 50 before it was even listed, and it was a weekly thing, so you could see they were so fast. They got their game tight up, and they didn't just waste time, because 50 air push, multiply, check it, or divide weekly. Every week was one air push every week, so they did for 50. So you could see how fast and how they were able to hold themselves together, and they launched, and you're on the mainnet and we're still getting reward for this. So if you come to the reward part here, if you click on the reward, you will see that I got 9 ETH here. A little bit low because I got an issue when I finished my test that I never knew they were already continuing, because I was very reluctant, and when I was trying to connect myself back, I felt I was in the game. I never knew my Phantom wallet was still on the still on the test net. So all I was doing round one, round two, a push one, a push two wasn't really working. So I got into the push three at the very last minute when I understood I needed to change my settings from the Phantom back to the main net, like the normal open, not on the test net settings like how it was, because the test net setting was kind of different from how it is right now. Okay, so that being said, that's why you could see a lot of guys are getting getting each worth $15. Some are getting each worth $10. But mind you, not a financial advice. It varies. It all depends. Like I said, it's a navigation store, so it's how you move. Okay, so imagine moving this week 1,900 or something point. I don't expect much from this one, but previous week I was able to move a lot, and I know I got something. So that's it. So if you are the type who travels a lot in your state, you travel from interplace for your job, definitely you're going to be making a lot of stuff from this project. And it doesn't really it takes nothing from you, your mobile phone. And I think you could do this on the both iPhone, iOS, and Android. Yeah, I think so. So that's how I think you could do this on iOS. I think so. I will check. I think so. I think I can't really recall anymore. So it's a passive, just a passive for you. And the other one we're going to talk about is going to be uh ship. Okay, this is how it looks like. So I'm going to claim this. So it means I've completed this task. I've scanned 1500 new Wi-Fi network. So voila, congratulations, you earned 20k data chips. Okay, so this is it. And you could see previously we used to have three, the Bluetooth, but now no longer. They will only have the Wi-Fi and the cell. Okay, so if I go through company areas, I get more sales a lot because of the radio, walkie-talkie, and all those long distance, communication gadgets. So that's what this is all about. Why this? It's your Bluetooth Wi-Fi. So if I move around, I get maximum 5,000, 4,000 daily. So that's it. So if you want to end this, you just click on this. You could click finish, and it synchronizes, and you just just want to continue. Okay. So come to this part of it. You can see the tags here. I've completed a single 6-hour scan. Very soon I'll be completing this 1,500 new Wi-Fi, and I'm going to be getting additional points and like this. So you could see get IO, KuCoin, Mexes, they're all listed there, and you could purchase the coin there to do whatever you want to do. And these are the things you might be needing just to get yourself positioned properly. This is what I got. I got the beacon, like I showed you guys earlier on. I got the magnets and the premium. The premium is a premium, and this is my free 100. This is my free balance on my account. Okay, so you want to get this, you want to get this, you want to get this, it costs you your money. Okay, your chips or your money. So you could see here, because I'm not using the scanner, I'm just using the free 150 meters. That's my range of scanning. So this circumference is free 150 meters. But if you have something like this, 1 kilometer or 5 kilometer, it means you might be scanning or seeing beacons further than 150 meters. That's how it really works. And this here is your ledger board. As we started this race newly, so I'm on 120, 119 so far, and the global I'm already in 720 something. Definitely it's gonna go up. These Indians, Pakistanis, these guys, they're really doing shit on this very part. So I know I will shift it down very soon again, but then I always maintain my 200 and something from my own local position, which is awesome for me. And because I always leave it running. I go out, I drive to the office, I come back when I'm always leaving it running. Okay, so remember to always update your app. Okay, and this is it, and this is what it does. All right. So your wipe on your app. This is what I got pending. Uh, I'm going to explain something to you guys that you need to understand, that for the ship, whenever a round ends, they give you a location. It adds up here, claimable balance, but definitely you able to claim to your SU wallet. You need to get a SU wallet for this. Okay, to connect to it. So SU wallet is where you connect on the dashboard. Yeah, that's this very place we talked about earlier on. Here, you must make sure you connect your wallet at this very where's it called? Let's see here, wallets. When setting up your account, you must connect your wallet. You can see my wallet's connected here. So previously on the first round, we were able to use SU to claim our points, but now on this very round, they've developed so much that you no longer need the SU to claim. Rather, you need to get data ship, and this you could purchase directly from this very place. Top up your data ship, and that was how using claiming. So let's, for instance, I got 608 balance here remaining. I want to claim this, which is also, it's worth $11 right now based on the market. Of course, if the market was pumping, it should be worth close like $40 to $50, if not more than. Okay, so if I click on this claim, for instance, you're going to see something here that they got maximum without penalty and again maximum. Okay, it means if I click on this, let's say like this, nothing is showing here. You might be wondering why it's nothing showing here. The reason is because the points that are remaining there haven't gotten to 3 months. If I hold them for 3 months, it's gonna be free for me to claim right here. So definitely, maybe the one, maybe someone might have been in 2 months or some days from now. It's gonna be complete 3 months. It's gonna pop up there. But if I want to click maximum, it's up to you. So they're gonna be born. If I click on maximum, means I want to claim everything I got. They're not holding you, but the condition there is that for your 608, for example, you could see total that I'll be claiming is 453. So penalty charge is going to be 154, meaning they're going to be burning this and I'm going to claim in this. Okay, and it's going to cost me transaction fee of 12 data chips, which on a good day I already have a lot of data chips here. With the help of $5, you could purchase data chips that worth 500, and it's just going to help you all through your withdrawal time. As you can see, it takes just little like that. So it's your one time you buy and you're going to use for a very long time of withdrawal. So that's what it is. And the moment right now, you might be, that's what I just showed you guys. I cannot withdraw right now because I don't want to burn any of them. So what I do usually, I wait If I want to know if anyone is open for me to claim, I click on this place, it's just going to pop up that way you have. So which might be round 4 or round 5 might have been true, and I'm just going to claim. I claimed some recently. If you come to my history, you'll see I just did a claim because I wanted to pay for something. I claimed here because he claimed, right? Because I needed to pay for something. I bought the cheap magnet, and I spent over 100 and something. Yeah, I spent over 200 something. So that's what it is. It cost me, but I claimed, okay, and that's why my token is a little bit down. So once they add this round to it now, I'll be expecting to see close to 800 or 1000 if not mistaken. And definitely maybe the round 4, maybe round 5 might be clear for me to claim. But like I told you, if you're the type who are so eager, want to see your money or whatever, and you know you're really doing your work by scanning, your app is always on and you're getting, because it varies. What I'm getting, not what you're going to get. So if you're in a high density area and you're always going out, you're always moving around, definitely you're going to get more of this point, so which automatically is fun, is funds for you, because if I click on maximum, I can claim this, and you know that's what it is. It's money. I just take to my SU, sell to USD, and so that's what it is. So it's disclaimer, not a financial advice, but definitely I'm telling you, these two last projects I just talked about, 375 AI and Ship, are the two passive airdrop previously, now mainnet, and the token is trading, and we still have a potential of keep farming and doing the project. It's all about AI, so we need to help the community by giving them reports on what the project is all about. So that's it. So you wouldn't want to waste time to jump into any of this, so I'm going to leave the link in the description. And don't forget to click the like button, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, don't forget to join the Telegram channel where we always reach out to each other, share ideas. And also I pray for you guys to have a very smooth week, and as we prepare for the end of the year celebration for those who are Christians, and for my Islamic brothers also, I also wish you guys all the best, and every other tribes, every other religion. So we all love you, we are all one brothers, and at the end of the day, it's all about making the Benjamins. All right, so let's do what we need to do. The year has come to an end. We want to see what we've worked for this year, and definitely let's look towards a bull run and change the music from what we're all going through right now in our trading market and stuff, and see something that will make us smile for 2026. So have a nice day, and see you guys in the next one. Cheers.